What's up, you guys? This one's going to be a good one. We finally have the Stage 2 OFT flashed onto this thing. This will be my official first start, so let's see if it... Oh, see Racing Pro on the dash. I'm excited. I'll show you the flashing process here. Alright, now let's start it. No more check engine light, that's awesome. Oh, we're in kilometers, so that's weird. There we go. Trip got reset, so I have no idea what I have on my fuel. I'm pretty sure I just filled up though. It's like 50 degrees, so let's see how this tune actually feels. Alright, right away I can feel the throttle is so much less jerky. It's so smooth. I haven't even gotten into the power yet, but I'm so far really liking what I'm feeling. And again, this is just their normal Stage 2 tune. I don't have anything special other than what was on the actual tablet. So we just got to get this thing warmed up because it's like warmish for December, but it's still not very warm. 8C. I gotta change everything back to Imperial. Everything switched over to metric. I gotta change it to freedom units. Ooh, I'm liking it. Feels very smooth. Even the auto blip. Alright, let's get into settings real quick. Try to change this before the light changes. Units, temperature, Fahrenheit, back, consumption. Oh wait, no, I want US miles per gallon. Everything's, holy crap, everything was all messed up. And Yahtzee. Perfect timing. Oh yeah, it's like butter. It's like butter now from a stop. Wow. And that's with relatively cold oil too. So the quick shifter and the auto blip aren't going to be functioning as well as they can. That was a big pop. Holy crap. Right next to that car too. I haven't had a chance to actually like feel the torque limitation be lifted, so I'm interested to feel that. Slow speed, very good. Like I know I put that smaller sprocket on the front, but even without that in the stock tune, it was still, you know, a little jumpier, but oh my gosh, it's not jerking, it's not anything. It's so smooth. Oh my god. That wasn't even like half throttle. Holy crap. Okay, I got kind of chills there. That's fast. Oh my god. Oh, I also forgot my earplugs. I just realized that. So this ride's not going to be very long because when I forget my earplugs, this thing is stupid loud. So I'm not going to be riding some crazy distances. Oh my. Okay. And that was me easing into it. Like, that is not me really giving it balls to the wall at all. It feels great, though. Whoa! That's new. The front wheel starts lifting now without me even, like, pinning it at first. It hits, like, 8 or 9 grand and then starts lifting. Whoa! Did you see it hover? Holy crap! I don't know if wheelie control kicked in because I was just looking ahead, but this is different. I'm a big proponent of tuning your motorcycle, and with this one, definitely tune it. If you have a Street Fighter or any Ducati for that matter, it is worth a tune. Even though stock, this thing has great throttle control. There's really very few things to complain about. This is still noticeably better with the tune, like noticeably better. And that's not just the torque limitation being removed from the tune, that's just riding impressions in general from it being so smooth now. I mean, it's even smoother than before, which I didn't think was gonna be able to be done. I'll be honest, I didn't think I would get much of a reaction from this, but it's pretty drastic. Wow, other people are out riding today. It's like chomping at the bit. Good Lord. I know I'm short shifting, trust me. Once I get it on the highway, I'll rev it out a lot more. I'm not talking as much in this video, but you gotta realize I'm trying to take in the difference. And like I said, I didn't think I would notice it, but I definitely noticed a difference. This thing is awesome. Oh, this thing is awesome. I think I finally have it exactly how I want it. The front sprocket is smaller, it has a tune on it, and I have a good old eBay exhaust. Hey, a pillow. Oh, this thing is sick. It is oh my gosh, this thing is a monster. We're gonna get you guys a daily 150. I have a feeling this one's gonna come up pretty fast. I think I got chain wax on my rear brake rotor because it's a little hard to stop. But fortunately, obviously, I use the front one mostly, but I like to use both when I can. We'll give myself some time. Get some heat in my legs here. Like I said, now that it's out of Celsius, it is 46 degrees, so really not that cold. It's so weird how this changes because normally, if it was less than like 70 degrees, I'd be like, nope, not going out, too cold. But now, I have the channel, I have, you know, I'm reigniting this passion again, and I'm really, really liking it. Even 46 feels, I mean, somewhat warm at this point. I don't even have to try. I'm not even trying any of that. I'm literally short shifting and like giving it maybe 3/4 throttle. I'm not trying. Second. Third. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. I haven't even revved it out yet. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Gotta work up to it. Sorry, the mic's probably crackling on you, so my bad. It gets real crackly above certain speeds. Honestly, cruising with the smaller front sprocket is not that bad. I thought it would be a lot worse. We're gonna do some testing here. Hopefully it doesn't pop up too much. Holy rip! Alright, let's get that daily 150. Roll into it. Go! Whoa! Bruh. Make a right on red. Thank you guys for joining me for another video. I really wanted to see how much this tune made a difference on this thing, and it really does. It really does. I know people say that all the time, and you know, is it worth $800? It makes a big difference, but I don't know if it's worth that much. Oh God, what the heck? Oh my God! These corners will sneak up on you too, so I gotta be careful. And it looks like a little damp, so I don't want to go too crazy. Someone spilled something there. focusing on the dyno in the summer to make sure it's I think it's a true 200 wheel horsepower naked bike, which is just stupid. I mean, that's third gear. I know the video doesn't do this justice at all. It really doesn't. You can't tell like exactly when my front wheel's coming off the ground, but I do want to get a 360 cam so you guys can see that as well and stick it like kind of by the front but out a ways. I'm telling you, flat ground, third gear at like 60. Oh, this thing picks it up all day now. It did not used to do that. Not in third, at least. Dang. This thing is stupid now. Oh my God! I'm telling you, it's dumb. Whoop. Fourth gear! Fourth! Oh my gosh! Wow! This thing's incredible. This thing is just... It's f***ing incredible. Holy shit! Pulling over. Get some B-roll here. Holy crap! That is ridiculous. Ridiculous. That is stupid. Got the B-roll all done. Get back to this freaking insanity. Ooh, Racing Pro. That looks cool. This thing is just an animal now. Oh my gosh. With how fast this thing is, I think you guys are going to have multiple daily 150s in the summertime especially, but it's a little chilly right now. It says I'm getting 28 miles per gallon. I tend to believe that's probably true, if not a little worse. Try to keep the front end down. Oh my gosh! You can't. I tried just like feathering it, half throttle, no problem. And then I gave it the beans in like, was it third or fourth? Still lifted. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. This is the essence of excess for motorcycles. I love it. I love it. Thank you all so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.